In this video, I am about to show you how to quickly remove the background in Leonardo.Ai. First, open your Google Chrome browser and type Leonardo.Ai into the search bar. Press enter to see the search results. Now click on the first link that appears to navigate directly to the Leonardo.Ai website. Once you're on the homepage, find a button labeled Get Started and click on it. This action will take you to the main dashboard where you can access various tools and features. Next, look for the library option on the left side of the dashboard and click on it. This section displays all your uploaded and saved images. After that, scroll through your images and select any one of them by clicking on it. This will open the image in a larger view for editing. Now locate the three dots positioned below the image. Then click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Remove Background. A notification will appear indicating that your background removal request is being processed. Once the background removal is complete, find the downward arrow below the image and click on it. Change the setting to original to see the edited image with the background removed. Now, as you can see, the background has been successfully removed, allowing you to focus solely on the main subject of the image. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.